Have you ever downloaded an Elementor template file and then got stuck trying to figure out how to actually use it? You have the JSON file ready, but you are not sure where to upload it, how to import it, or how to turn it into a complete website. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build a full WordPress website from scratch using just one Elementor JSON template file. No coding, no confusion, just a complete walkthrough. An Elementor JSON file contains the full layout structure of a page, including sections, design, typography, and styling. When imported into Elementor, it instantly recreates that page layout. So instead of designing everything manually, we'll upload one file and build our website. Before importing the template, let's clean up the default content. Delete the sample post, delete unnecessary pages. This keeps the setup clean. Now we need the Elementor plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click on Add New, search for Elementor Website Builder, click Install, wait for a while and then click Activate. When you download the template package from the article linked in the description, you'll receive 3 resources: a JSON file, a .dat file, and a user instruction document you can refer to if needed. We'll first import the JSON file. For this, go to WP Admin and navigate to Elementor Editor, then click Tools. Click the Website Templates tab. Click Import, upload the downloaded Elementor JSON template zip file. Click Import and Apply. Click Close once the process is finished. This completes the JSON template file import process. Many Elementor JSON template packages also include a DAT file for theme customization. This file controls fonts, colors, header styles, and layout spacing. Importing this ensures your website looks exactly like the original demo. From the WordPress dashboard, click Visit Site. Now click Customize in the top admin bar. Scroll to the bottom and select Export Import. Under Import, click Choose File, upload the DAT file, then click Import. This applies all theme level styling so your Elementor JSON template matches the original design perfectly. If something doesn't look right after importing, here are the most common issues and how to fix them. Before you begin troubleshooting, make sure you have the latest version of the Elementor plugin activated. If the layout loads but the fonts and colors look wrong, the global kit styles may not be applied. Go to Elementor, then Settings. Make sure Disable Default Fonts and Disable Default Colors are checked. Click Save Changes. This usually restores the correct styling. If WooCommerce pages like Shop, Cart, Checkout, or My Account are incorrect, go to Pages in your dashboard. Check for duplicate WooCommerce pages. If you see pages like Shop to or Cart to, delete the duplicates. Then visit the shop page and confirm the URL does not contain to. This should solve the problem. If your layout appears boxed or squeezed inside another layout, this is usually a page layout setting issue. Click the gear icon in the Elementor toolbar to access page settings. Under page layout, select Elementor full width. In most cases, using Elementor full width or canvas will fix the issue. Some themes may force their own formatting, so make sure your theme supports full width layouts. If you see repeated pages in your menu, this means that the position is not selected for the menu. From the WordPress dashboard, click Visit Site. Now click Customize in the top admin bar. Go to Menus and select Menu 1. Scroll down to select the menu location and click on Header menu. This will fix your distorted menu. And here's the final result. We started with a single JSON template file, and in just a few steps, we have built a complete WordPress website from scratch. If you found this helpful, check the article linked in the description for more Elementor JSON templates to download. You can build professional websites in minutes without coding. If you have any queries related to the video, feel free to leave us a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.